Hello friend, it's Maddie again. I'm going to Ate Flo's house because I miss her so much. Charot. Joke lang. Because I have something to get ba. And let's go. I just got off the truck. I didn't record it because it's too noisy. I'm on my way na Ate Flo. Just wait. I'm here now. It's so green. It's nice, man. There's a cow over there. It's so lapok. The reason why I visit Ate Flo's house is first, I have something to get. And second is, I'm going to annoy her. Char. I didn't miss her, oy. I'm getting tired na seeing her face. Charot lang. Love you, Tiflo. If you ever watch this video, mumuha ka sa akin. So, by the way guys, I'm taking the shortcut. Cause I'm tired of walking. So, this is the way, the path I'm walking. Syempre, so there's a lot of bamboo and the muds. Hi, I'm not scared. There's not. I'm in the city. Tsada mahigop na inday. Charot bitaw eh. I'm here na guys. Oh, there's a bird. Charot. I'm here na. Really. I can see her house na. It's there, oh. It's there. I already saw Jan. He's cooking or I don't know where's Ate Flo. Wow! Welcome to my video, te. Miss you, te. Guys, may kwarta. Yat tayo mong to. Miss you. Nice lagi nagrilo. Nice rilog, baby, oy. Uga pa man ka din eh. You're so very beautiful, day.
Guys, I don't have money na, guys.
Same here.
Send me a PayPal. I don't have a money for my tripod and wireless.
Wala! Tsada!
Guys, kanang... Unsa
di ako makakot.
Sponsor, please, for my wireless microphone and...
Hello? Akong garigi. I have important man ya.
Lalakay ka lang.
Ano ba? I'm going home na po. I'm on my way na.